Welcome back everyone. Today's episode is packed with nail-biting twists and turns as we dive deep into the latest update that are sending shockwaves through the stock market. If you thought you knew what was coming, think again. Hold on tight because the next 10 minutes are going to keep you on the edge of your seat. Let's start with the Consumer Price Index or CPI numbers that just dropped. This is not just another statistic. These numbers are the heartbeat of our economy. What they reveal could spell fortune or disaster for millions of investors, and folks, this time it's a roller coaster. Inflation, it's the monster under the bed for every investor. The latest CPI numbers shows a dramatic shift. We are talking about a rise that hasn't been seen in decades. What does this mean for your portfolio? Stick with me because the surprise don't stop there. Before we move on, if you are looking to secure your financial future and build a reliable income stream, check out my Affiliate Marketing Pro course. It is designed to help you create a steady income even in these unpredictable times. The link is in the video's description. Trust me, you don't want to miss this massive opportunity. So let's get back to the video. So that's just the beginning. The Federal Reserve is about to make a decision that could shake the very foundation of the market. Will they raise interest rates to combat this inflation, or will they hold steady, risking an even greater surge? The stakes couldn't be higher and the clock is ticking. Now, here's the kicker. Wall Street is on the edge, and you should be too. Traders are bracing for impact and the market is more volatile than ever. In the pre-market trading session, we saw swings that could make or break fortunes in mere minutes. It's a battlefield out there and you need to be prepared. So what should you do right now? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Should you sell, buy or hold? I'm going to break down the strategies that the pros are using to navigate this treacherous train. You will not want to miss this. Your financial future could depend on it. But first, let's talk about the big players. Companies like Apple, Amazon and Tesla are feeling the pressure. Their stock movements are a barometer for the market, and today they're signaling something big. The decision these giants make in the next 24 hours could set the tune for months to come. And there is more behind the scenes. There are whispers of a massive shakeup. Insider sources hint at moves that could redefine market dynamics. We are talking about mergers, acquisitions, and possibly even bankruptcies. This is Wall Street like you have never seen it before. Imagine waking up tomorrow to find that everything you thought you knew about the market has changed overnight. It sounds like a plot twist from a thriller, but this is real life and it's happening right now. Stay with me because in just a moment we'll uncover what's really going on behind those closed doors. Let's not forget the global impact. This isn't just about the US markets. This is a global phenomenon. From the Asian markets to Europe, the ripple effects are being felt worldwide. Currency fluctuations, trade tensions, and geopolitical factors are all in play, adding layers of complexity to an already volatile situation. Now, let's cut to the chase. What are the experts saying? Analysts are divided and their predictions range from cautiously optimistic to downright apocalyptic. We'll dissect their argument, weigh the evidence, and help you make sense of the madness. Folks, this is not a drill. The decisions you make in the next few days could have lasting impacts on your financial well-being. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these developments is crucial. And remember, knowledge is power. Speaking of power, if you are looking to maximize your earning potential, you should check out my Affiliate Marketing Pro course. It is designed to help you build a reliable income stream even in these turbulent times. The link is in the video's description below. Don't miss out. So, what's your next move? Stay tuned because together we are going to navigate these turbulent waters. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. This is the channel where you get the real story, the inside scoop, and the strategies that can keep you ahead of the game. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video if you like our content. Until next time, stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay profitable. This is Sam signing off, but the story is just beginning. Don't forget to check out my Affiliate Marketing Pro course. The link is in the video's description, and I'll see you in the next video.